Hello and welcome to the second lesson of the Hindi tutorials. We are here to learn Hindi, the most spoken language of India. Today we are going to learn the phrases used in the first conversation with a stranger. As we all know, every conversation starts with a greeting. So if you are meeting someone new and the other person is older than you usually start with Namaste with a slight downward nod and sometimes with joined hands. Otherwise, you can just say hi or hello. If the other person is a male, you would ask, "Aap kaise hain?" How are you? Aap, a longer sound. Okay, it's not up, aap. Kaise hain? Aap kaise hain? And to a female, you'll ask, "Aap kaisi hain?" ठीक है. The difference is of A and E. आप कैसे हैं and आप कैसी हैं. Alright. The reply would be मैं ठीक हूँ और आप. ठीक है. मैं ठीक हूँ और आप. That is, I'm fine and you. मैं ठीक हूँ और आप. Remember that this is a conversation with a person who is not yet your friend. That's why I'm not using the informal words at this time. Now let's come to telling each other's names. You can see two sentences here. The first one is मेरा नाम अमन है, which says my name is Aman. मेरा नाम अमन है. The next one is आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? ठीक है. Now we have got two sentences. One is आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? And मेरा नाम किशन है. My name is Kishan. Now we can play a simple game here that we used to play as students in our beginner Spanish class, sitting in a circle. Someone will post a comment in the comment section saying, "Namaste, मेरा नाम है, आपका नाम क्या है?" In short, you will tell, "My name is this and what is your name?" And the next person will tell their name and ask, "आपका नाम क्या है?" And the chain will follow. Well, I'll put the first comment. Let's make a short list of vocabulary that we have used today. Aap is you, of course, formal. Main is I. Kaise means how. And kaisi is how for a female. Theek is okay or fine. Mera is my. Aapka is your. Naam is name. Or means and. ठीक है. At the end of the first conversation, you can say, आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा, which is equivalent to nice to meet you. ठीक है. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. अच्छा. ठीक है. अच्छा. And at last you can say, ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे. ठीक है is okay. फिर मिलेंगे, we will meet again. It's like, okay, see you again. ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे. With this sentence, we complete this lesson and the conversation. I expect that after this lesson, there must be some questions arising in your minds. Ask your doubts and comments below in the comment section and press the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे।